dentro del taxi y vigilen a sus...
Hello. If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a dog.
It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Schmoopsy Poo!
Oh, googly bears!
The human child knows me with its telepathic control. It made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. Then it grabbed me with its giant tongue.
Oh, Boo, we gotta get you home.
It's a kid! A human kid!
Sweet monster in the sky!
Michael Wazowski! And on my birthday, I thought you cared about me!
Celia, try to understand.
Come on, this way.
Spread out and lock it down.
This is the girl we're looking for. Situation is, Niner.
Why ain't working nights? Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sulley, hurry up. I've got both doors set up on the scare floor.
Done yet, Boo?
Race you to the scare floor.
They'll never find her door now!
Look, Boo, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now!
Snow cone? Oh, no. Slam it!
It's been the most terrifying day of my life.
Mike, I love you!
But I love you, kiddo.
Good night.
Kitty!
Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep tight.
After careful and thorough observation of the perimeter, we quickly rendered the situation status to 990. We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight. We responded to a 2319 reported to the scene where we immediately secured the area in question. We spread out and locked it down. After careful and thorough observation of the perimeter, we quickly rendered the situation status to 990. We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight. We responded to a 2319